Former TEN mom fans have gained insight into Jenelle Evans' co-parenting arrangement with her baby daddy, Nathan Griffith, thanks to her comments. In a recent Instagram story, Jenelle hinted that Nathan wasn't giving their son, Kaiser, much of his attention. Screenshots of Jenelle, 31's answers to the queries posed during a Q&A session she hosted via her stories were posted in a Reddit thread. The former MTV star talked candidly about her relationship with her father, Robert, her work outside of Teen Mom, and her present activities. The slide in her stories that discussed whether or not her 35-year-old ex-husband Nathan had anything to do with their 9-year-old child drew the attention of many admirers. In response to the inquisitive fan, Jenelle revealed that she hadn't seen Kaiser since Christmas 2022. And that Nathan is dealing with his own issues at the moment. In the Reddit community, fans expressed regret for Nathan's prolonged absence from them. That Nathan hasn't seen his son since Christmas is very heartbreaking. One fan said, "I feel so bad for all of these kids. Poor Kaiser," said another, and someone else agreed, saying, "It's so sad that Nathan hasn't seen his son since Christmas. I'm really sorry for all of these children." To the aforementioned statement, another person commented, saying, "It's very unfortunate that Nathan hasn't seen his son since Christmas. I'm really sorry for all of these children." Nathan's legal fights are most likely the issues he's dealing with, and maybe the reason he hasn't spoken to Kaiser in months. He was taken into custody and accused of domestic abuse by strangulation in February, according to an exclusive story from the U.S. Sun. At 4:30 in the morning, the former teen mom was placed in handcuffs in Delray Beach, FL. As of right now, Nathan is a prisoner at the Palm Beach County Jail. In his mugshot, posted to the Palm Beach County Sheriff's prisoner website, he seemed alert and unaffected. Nathan's brother-in-law William allegedly called 911 after the former reality star lost it, choked an unidentified woman, and carried her up the stairs, according to TMZ. Nathan allegedly told police there was no fight and that any scratches on his body were from sex when they arrived at the site. But according to reports, the woman felt Nathan had become physically abusive against her. Jenelle and the victim are thought to have broken up back in 2015. Nathan and his 38-year-old wife, May Oyola, have been residing in Florida. The couple married in a covered ceremony in Miami in the spring of 2022. Nathan has previously experienced run-ins with the law. In the summer of 2020, Nathan was accused of verbal abuse, stalking, and making threats of violence. An anonymous woman sought a restraining order against Nathan at the time, which the U.S. Sun exclusively revealed, and it was only approved for a year. The woman described how she first met Nathan, 32, in August 2018 at a lounge in Florida and how she has subsequently run into him multiple times. According to court records, Nathan allegedly began unwanted, unwelcome contact in March 2020. This included showing up at her home uninvited, unannounced, belligerent, drunk, and refusing to leave when asked. In the petition, she stated that he had sent her unwanted text messages on social media and that he had repeatedly ordered her not to come to her house. The friend claimed that in an alleged April 2020 incident, the reality star visited her home despite her 3 warnings not to. She reported trespassing to the police, and an officer recommended her to seek for a restraining order because, according to the report, no crime had occurred. At that point, a temporary order for protection against stalking was obtained. Nathan was also taken into custody in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, in 2015 on suspicion of domestic abuse.